Wow! Affordable living with a pool. This 1,800 square foot home is on a private cul-de-sac with a convenient location. 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, living room, dining room and den with gas log fireplace. Large open kitchen with dinette. Kitchen has electrical in floor and could easily add an island. Very nice gas stove. This home has had a newer roof, deck, tankless hot water heater and had the fireplace, stove, and dryer converted to propane gas. Enjoy the beauty of this yard either on the covered rear deck or at the pool encircled by a deck. It also has a storage shed perfect for the pool accessories. Detached 2-car metal garage with electrical is the perfect space to house your cars or to make a workshop. Fenced yard with mature trees and plants including a large fig tree and a night bloomer moonflower. Washer and gas dryer included with sale.